If you're visiting this webpage, you're probably in need of a roof. And the one question we always get is, do we work in your region? Simply put, yes. You'll see on the screen right now, predominantly 99% of our work is completed within the green circle. The 4 green stars represent our offices in Ohio, Alabama, Georgia, and Florida. But that's not only where our work's completed. You'll also see some outliers with the red stars of work that's been completed as recently within the past year. The main thing we want to do is ease your fear of working with a contractor that's out of state or not in your state. A large reason a lot of customers have used us that are not in our states is because we've been around for 40 years. We're a reputable company. We stand by our warranty. We also offer a full-time service crew. In the event that there's anything that's needed as far as issues that may arise, we have them to service all those for you. Thank you for visiting our webpage. Hope to hear from you soon.